What's up, everyone? Welcome to the first episode of our Solidity series. So, in this session, I'm going to be talking about the bare bone structure of a Solidity contract. So, at first, you're going to be seeing the first line. It says SPDX license identifier, which says the license of the smart contract is MIT. You can actually choose your smart contract license to be Apache, depends on the one you want. And on the second line, you can see it says Pragma Solidity. This just means the version of the contract we want to write. And over here, you can see that the most recent version is version 0.8.28, and it's not advisable to use this version because it's not stable. There could be some bugs that have not yet been discovered, but the previous versions are safe. In this contract, we are going to be writing version 0.8.26 because it is one of the most stable version, because at the time of making this video, you can see this is the most stable version, and that's the one we're going to be using in the smart contract today. All right, so moving forward, the bare bone of a smart contract is this contract keyword, and you see the name of the contract. This just means the keyword that signifies that this is a contract, and this is the keyword that signifies the name of the contract we want to write. And this is a string. This is public grade. So this is just like a simple way to write your hello world in a Solidity contract. And we're going to be writing this on Remix. Remix is an online IDE. It's an editor to write your Solidity. So compiling a smart contract simply means converting your Solidity code into bytecode that can be executed on the Ethereum virtual machine, which is known as the EVM. So while it's compilation necessary, why do we even need to compile a contract in the first place? Solidity is a high-level programming language, but blockchains only understand low-level machine code, which is bytecode. That's what the blockchain understands. The compiler translates Solidity into a format the blockchain can execute. And when we talk about deploying a smart contract means publishing it on the blockchain, making it accessible and executable for users and other contracts to access. Then you choose a deployment tool. The one we're using today is Remix IDE. Furthermore into the videos, you're going to be exploring Hardhat and Foundry. So Hardhat and Foundry is mainly for advanced script-based deployment. The next step is payment for gas fee. So deployment requires gas fee, which can be paid if you're deploying on Leaks, can be paid in Leaks ETH. More complex contracts cost more gas to deploy. So next thing is the contract. So after deployment, the blockchain assigns the contract a unique address. An example is an Ethereum address or a Leaks address. This address is where users interact with your contract. Let's go ahead and compile our contract. So we're just going to click on this button, compile. Then once it's compiled, you can now go to the next one, which is deploy. This is where we are going to choose the environment or the chain we want to deploy to. If you're using a blockchain like Leaks or Ethereum, you're going to have to use injected provider, which is using a wallet. But today we are not doing that. In future videos, we're going to be exploring that, but today we're going to be using this Remix VM. This is the VM that is provided for us by Remix. So this is the account that we are using to deploy the contracts. This is the account. These are all the test accounts that Remix gives you. So you have all these accounts available to you. So what you just need to do is click on deploy. And voila, your smart contract has been deployed. This green check mark means that the smart contract has been deployed. If you open it up, you can read all the information about the smart contract. Just come here, take it down, and you can see the name of the contract that we deployed, and you can see the address that was given to us. So let's check the deployment information so we understand very well. So I'm just going to increase the text size of this so you can view it well. So this is the information about the contract that we just deployed. This is the contract address. Let's see if this matches with what it's on the place. Let's see OXD8B. OXD8B. So it's correct. So now you've successfully written an Hello World contract in Solidity. This is going to be the first of many episodes that I'm going to be releasing. So make sure you like and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Bye.